Official, a person holding a position of authority. Official, of or relating to an authority. Officious, assertive of authority in an unknowingly domineering way. Organization, a group of people with a particular purpose. Organism, an individual living things. Organic, related to. Pole, pole, a long slender piece of wood. Poll, to cast a vote. Praise, to express approval. Praise, the act or practice of praying to God. Past, having received a passing grade of an examination. Past, having happened or excited before now. Pasture, land covered with grass for grazing animals. Pastor, a Christian minister in charge of a church. Patience, the capacity to tolerate delay. Patience, people receiving medical treatment. Pause, to stop temporarily. Pause, the fit of an animal having clothes. Peace, a state of tranquility. Peace, a portion. Peak, the highest. Peak, to look quickly or furtively. Pick, a feeling or irritation. Pedal, a lever operated by the foot. Pedal, to sell goods. Petal, a segment of the corolla of a flower. PAIR, pair, two things used together. Pair, to trim. Park, an area of land used for recreation. Park, to leave a vehicle in a particular place. Pane, a single sheet of glass in a window or door. Pain, physical or emotional suffering. Peel, to remove the outer covering or skin. Peel, the outer skin or rind. Peal, a loud ringing of bells. Punctual, happening or doing something at the agreed or proper time. Punctuals, showing great attention to detail or correct behavior. Prudent, acting with prudential, relating to prudential financial. President, an earlier event. President, the elected head of a republican state. Physic, the form, size and development of a person's body. Physic, a medicine that purges. Physics, the science of matter and energy and their interactions. Prey, an animal taken by a predator as food. Pray, to address a solemn request. Politic, the shrewd or prudent in practical matters. Political, of or relating to government. Point, a particular spot, place. Point, to indicate the position or direction of something. RAP, rap, to strike or hit sharply. Wrap, to cover or enclose. Rain, to fall or descend in drops of water. Reign, the period during which a sovereign occupies the throne. REIN, reign, a long. Rational, based on. Rational, a set of reasons. Rays, narrow beams of light. Rays, to completely destroy a building. Raise, to lift or move in a higher position or level. Respectfully, in a way that shows politeness, respectively in the order given. Respective, relating or belonging to each separately. Respectable, having a good reputation. Respectful, showing difference. Reverent, a little title for a member of the clergy. Reverent, feeling. Right, a moral. Righteous, morally right. Rightful, having the right to something. Right, a religious or other solemn. Road, a wide way leading from one place to another. Road, an act of riding. Route, to defeat visibly. Route, a way. Row, a number of people or things in a line. Ceiling, the process of making inaccessible or secret. Ceiling, the upper interior surface of a room. Sail, the exchange of a commodity for money. Sail, to travel or water in a ship or boat.